WeVideo is a powerful video and audio editing program that supports multi-track editing. It provides users with a large range of stock media, audio, and editing effects. WeVideo integrates with Google Classroom and offers teachers a classroom management interface to allow supervision and support of student projects. Teachers, WeVideo is a third-party application that will require parental consent for student use. You can access the required information to inform parents using the DOE's platform Assessed IT, which can be found in your Staff Portal Essentials. WeVideo does require a license. If you are a new user, we recommend trialling the program first using the T4L's Trial License program. You can apply for a license by heading to the WeVideo information page on the T4L's Learning Library, which can be found at t4l.link/STEM. If your school has their own access to WeVideo, navigate to the web page using your desired browser. You will find the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. If you are using a trial license from T4L, follow the steps in your trial license confirmation email. You will find a join link, which will give you pro access temporarily. When using the join link from the T4L trial license program, you will receive a prompt asking if you already have a WeVideo account or not. If yes, choose the first option and your account will be aligned with the trial license program. If you do not have an account, select the second option. To sign in, you will use your Google account. Select the Sign In with Google option and use your @education.newsouthwales.gov.au email address. You may then be prompted to sign in via the DOE portal or confirm the Google account is correct. Once signed in, the main dashboard will open. In this space, you will find any recent projects that you may have worked on. You can explore and utilise WeVideo's templates to get you started with a video, or you can get creating with a blank project. On this screen, you will also see some further menu options such as classes. This is where you can create a class environment and assign a project. There is an upload section where you can bring together your content and organise it within folders for ease of use. You can quickly access any completed and exported videos in the Exported tab. Or find any of your previous projects, both recent or older, via the Projects tab. WeVideo offers an application for handheld tablet devices, which can be an easy way to shoot and upload content or even make use of the inbuilt green screen technology. Don't forget, there are an array of resources designed to help teachers on the T4L Learning Library. Check them out at t4l.link/STEM.